So hey guys, what's up? Today we are going to learn about the coming soon mobile phones in Pakistan with their prices. So first of all, here is the Infinix Zero Ultra. So let us study its features. This mobile phone comes with Android 12 OS with UI of XOS 12. Its dimensions are these and it weighs about 213 grams. It is going to come with dual SIM and its color is Coslight Silver Genesis Noir. And it is a octa-core processor with MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset and a GPU of Mali G68 MC4, which is quite good, but in this expensive phone it is not much better. It comes with AMOLED display with captive touch screen, and its extra feature is about it is going to coming up with 120 Hz refresh rate. It is coming up with 256 GB built-in storage and 8 GB of RAM, which is quite less in this range of mobile phones. The next features are all the given below and you can study here. So the next phone which is in our list is Realme C33, which is coming up with about 26,000 price, which is quite good. It is coming up with the new latest Android 12 OS with Realme UI, and it weighs about very less 186 grams, and it is also dual SIM, and it also contains octa-core processor and a Unisoc Tiger chipset with a Mali G52 GPU, which is quite good in this price range. It is a IPS display panel with 120 Hz, which is best display, and it is coming with two base features, 32, 64 and 128 GB built-in storage with 3 and 4 GB RAM. The base RAM would be I think 3 GB. The next we are coming up its camera. So its camera is dual camera 50 megapixel, which is very good in this price budget, and all the features are given below, and it is expected to come in the next month. So the next mobile phone in our list is Vivo Y22, which is coming up with 40,000 price range, and it also coming with Android 12 iOS Fun Touch OS, and it weighs about 190 gram. Its processor is octa-core MediaTek Helio G855 chipset and Mali G52 GPU. It also coming up with IPS display, but it is very expensive with this display, and its resolution is 720 by 1612, which is very less I think, and its size is 6.5 inches. So coming up towards its camera, it is also a dual camera 50 megapixels with a 2 megapixel macro camera and a dual LED flash display, and its front camera is about 8 megapixel, which is very less in this price budget. And the next thing is it is expected to come the next month or coming forward, we don't know when it is coming. So its RAM is about 4 to 6 GB. Its base feature contains 64 GB of built-in storage and 4 GB of RAM. So coming towards our next mobile phone, we are going towards Vivo V25, which expected price is about 86,000. It is also coming up with Android 12 Fun Touch OS 12, and it weighs about 186 grams. It is also a dual SIM and dual standby nano SIM mobile phone. It comes up with CPU of octa-core CPU MediaTek Helio MT6877 Dimensity 900 6 nanometer chipset and a Mali G68 MC4 GPU. It comes up with the AMOLED captive touch screen, which is quite better, but I think that it could be improved. It is coming up with base feature of 128 built-in storage and 8 GB of RAM, and in the higher upgraded model it is coming up with 256 GB built-in and 12 GB of RAM. So it contains 3 triple camera design with a 64 megapixel of wide camera and a 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 2 megapixels of macro camera. Its front camera is about 50 megapixels wide, and it can record in 4K at 30 fps and 180p at 30 fps HDR videos. And coming towards its other features, its battery is 4500 mAh and it is and it is coming up with 44-watt charger which can charge it 61% in 31 minutes. Its expected price is 86,000, but we can get it up in 82 to 83,000 in the market. So coming up towards our next mobile phone, so it is Tecno Spark 9 Pro, which is very cheap, and its expected price is 30,000, about 30,000, sorry, 29,000. It is coming up with Android 12 OS UI HiOS 8.6, and it is also a dual SIM mobile phone with a processor of octa-core MediaTek Helio G85 with a Mali G52 GPU and a IPS display with a 90 Hz of refresh rate and 1080 by 2480 pixels of 410 ppi resolution. Its base model contains 128 GB of built-in storage with a 4 GB RAM, and the higher models contain 6 GB RAM. Coming towards its camera, it has a triple camera with 48 megapixel wide and a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel AI lens. Its front camera is 32 megapixel, and it supports all the upcoming mobiles and features, and its capacity of battery is about 5000 mAh and a fast battery charger of 18 watt. It is very good mobile phone in the 30,000 range. So now let us jump into the mobile phones which are launched this month in cheap prices. So here we are first going to learn about the Samsung mobile phones. In the Samsung mobile phones, the latest mobile phone model Samsung S22 Ultra, which is the flagship model, we are going to learn about this phone because this is very a high-end gaming device and as well as a best camera phone. In US dollars, its price is $1,650, which is too high for a Pakistani person. It is coming up with, as usual, Android 12 OS, which is latest, and One UI 4.1. Its dimension is 163.3 by 77.9 by 8.9 millimeter. It weighs about 228 grams, and it is a dual SIM, eSIM and a nano SIM phone. Its color are very aggressive and likely by most of the person. Its first color is phantom black, white, burgundy, green, graphite, red, sky blue. My favorite one is burgundy. Its frequencies are given below, you can read it up, and it is coming with octa-core processor with the chipset of Qualcomm SM8450 Snapdragon 8 Gen, which is very high and best for gaming as well as for camera. It is coming up with GPU of Adreno 730. It has a dynamic AMOLED 2x capacitive touchscreen and a 1 billion colors, which is very high and the best display I have learnt ever. It is coming up with high resolution of pixel screen and a cornering Gorilla Glass Victus. It is 120 Hz display. Its base model contains 128 GB of built-in storage with 12 GB of RAM, and higher models contain 256 and 512 GB of built-in storage with 16 GB of huge enormous RAM. It cannot contain memory card. It is coming up with quad camera with a higher camera of 108 megapixel of lens and with the lowest camera of about 12 megapixels of ultra wide lens, which is very good for the flagship models. Its front camera is about 40 megapixels and it can record 4K at 30 and 60 fps and 180p at 30 fps, which is quite good. It is coming up with USB type C as usual, and it is on the go USB type C, which is very best. Its sensor contains gyro, which is best for gamers, fingerprint and compass, barometer, accelerometer, proximity. Its browser is HTML5, which is the latest HTML version. It supports all the built-in and downloadable game from the Google Play Store. Its extra features are given below, you can read it up, and it is coming up with the 5000 megahertz of best battery capacity with the 45 watts of fast charging. So if you are interested, so get into it. thanks for watching. So if you like the video, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.